Assalamualaikum everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sugiarti. I am of 12 siswa. This time I will share how to make seblak. This is the ingredients and the methods. Oops, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching the video. Come on. More precisely in the photo, guys. First, meatball, egg and crackers, chicken sauces, chicken feet, salt and flavor, celery leaves, sauce and pepper. Step by step. Melt the crackers until cooked. The next step, then grill all the spices. Continue to add the oil and add the spices. Okay guys. Then add enough water that enter, then and chicken feet, meatballs, sauces, and crackers. Okay guys, stir again. Okay, next, add enough water. Add eggs, mix and until smooth. Cook on medium heat. Okay guys. Add sugar and seasoning. Next, add pepper and sauce. Add curry leaves still until cooked. Okay. Okay, next, wait until wrap ya guys. Yay, finish! Okay guys, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.